Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the world of unboxings. Okay, so I've got quite a few, okay, including what you came for, right? Sephora. Sephora. Okay, so, it's heavy. This is probably the biggest one I've done. I believe Crazy Beautiful MUA gave me a 20% coupon to use. I was waiting and waiting, so it's not super huge, but it's big enough for me. Okay, so I got prices over here. Let's see. No prices over there. Let's do the samples. What's the samples? Sunny Days by Tower 28. So this is SPF 30 tinted sunscreen. So I think I'm past this banana shade. I'm like, probably that one is good, right? I don't know. This lighting is making me look off. Anyway, that's probably good enough for one use. 0.75 mLs. Safe for sensitive skin, which is me. Won't cause breakouts. And non-nano reef safe mineral sunscreen. Okay, made in Canada. Love that. And then we have Joe Malone. This is different for me, okay? London, English pear and freesia. I like that. Sounds, ooh, it's really crisp and clean. Nice. Okay, so this bad boy is what I was waiting to buy. I don't know, I'm so late for everything. This is Urban Decay Naked Quickie, or Stay Naked, up to 24-hour wear multi-use concealer. Who knows if this is my color? It says 30 CP Cool Pink Light. We're gonna find out, okay? This was $33. So for, well, it's 30, yeah, 33. How much did I save? I don't know. It says I spent $120. Okay, so, oh man, I messed it up. Pro tip, tap it, buff it, done. Okay, it's huge, guys, it's huge. This is vegan, and it's 16.4 mLs, up to 24 hours. Quick fix, full coverage, retouch, conceal, brighten, and blend. Lightweight formula, vitamin E infused. All day hydration. Okay, so pop that off, and then it has like, it's kind of like a brush velour feel, like, and you're supposed to, yeah, I would say that it is kind of too much for that area, but, and then let's see, it's huge. I mean, yes and no. Let's see. When I'm on my lighter days, this is awesome, but it does feel very light. It's definitely a lot for me. Let's give some lift here. You guys are watching real time. I've seen people just pat it out with their fingertips. If I were to do a makeup look, this would be very nice. It is very light. I'm on the tanner side right now, so let's pull it up here. Not bad. not bad, not bad, not bad. I like it though. Compared to some other formulas that are super, super thick, I think this is actually kind of light. I mean, I'm gonna blur this out, but if I put like a tinted sunscreen, this is not even going to be noticeable. And let's see on coverage, it's definitely getting away this redness, right? Can you see that part? And I just pulled it up here just to like make my eyes look open. But if I blend it out, no big deal. I've been waiting for this and I think I'm happy about it. I think this is a winner, winner, chicken dinner type of thing. What do you guys think? Different lighting. Ooh, maybe then you can tell. I can still see some puffs, some bags maybe. All right, I like it. 33 bucks is more than I've ever spent, but it's full size. Usually I get samples. Let me know how best to use this if you know out there. Okay, another thing that I've been trying to buy but haven't is Hum. I've seen a lot of people get this. So this was $26, guys. Kind of a splurge. And it is the Flatter Me, supports digestion and a flatter stomach. You get 18 full spectrum enzymes. It's a dietary supplement, 60 vegan capsules. You take one every day. So that'll be 60 days. I'm happy about that. So to break down protein, there's protease inhibitors here. To break down fats, there's lipase. To break down carbs, there's amylase, glucoamylase, and alpha galactosidase, invertase, and diastase. Diatase. I don't know. There's a bunch more, but there's also lactase to break down milk sugars, which I am lactose intolerant and I still take in milk. So herbal blend, ginger root, fennel seed, peppermint leaf powder, in case I want to recreate the formula. Let's see how it smells. It doesn't smell bad, but I was taking something similar to this. It was, I'm sure I showed you guys, and now I don't see it at all. So I was kind of happy. It was around the same price range. Sometimes I would get coupons at CVS or Walgreens. Something else that I'm super happy about. You guys know I like this brand for all that it's worth. $34. Fenty Skin. This is the Melt Off Jelly Oil Makeup Melting Cleanser. 3.3 ounces. This is full size though, by the way. So this is new. And I will let you guys know how I like this. If I'm not mistaken, she has a lot of refillable products. So look at this little, oh, okay. So there's the jelly formula. Let's see if it'll take this off. I can see, yep, it's coming off. I don't know if you can tell. It smells really good though. Very fragrant. 100 ml. Let me see if it says anything else. Melts away long wear waterproof makeup while deeply cleansing skin, leaves skin nourished and comfortable. So use day and night to remove long wear and waterproof makeup, dirt, and impurities. Apply to dry or damp skin. I just like the brand. I want to know what that scent is because it smells kind of like lavender. But right off the bat, I see sunflower seed oil. And that's all I can read. But $34. I felt like this was also another splurge. And you could see it melting that a little bit. Yeah. It smells really good. I don't want to get too close to my eyes because I don't think you should. But another goodie. Have you tried this one? Okay, another thing that I saw that I do like this brand. And this was 30 bucks. This is Supergoop SPF bestseller kit. I've gotten so many minis that I was like, let me just get some more. Look at this banana yellow bag that it comes in. Nice. Nice. The Supergoop right in the front. And in here you get the 3 products. So what are the 3? There's the Unseen Screen 40 SPF. Look at that. This is water and sweat resistant for 40 minutes, 0.5 mLs, or 15 mLs, I'm sorry, 0.5 fluid ounces. So clean chemicals, sunscreen, reef safe, non-irritating, no synthetic fragrance, and vegan. So great. Let's see, this is the Glow Screen broad spectrum 40. This is also 15 mLs. And this is the Play one. I don't have this one. This is 50 SPF. Everyday lotion with sunflower extract. Water and sweat resistant for 80 minutes. Let's see. 1 fluid ounce, which is 30 mLs. I'm glad I got something I haven't tried. But great brand, great product. This is travel friendly as well. I'll just put it right back in a little bag. So I'm gonna save this for traveling. But the Glow Screen is the Illuminator primer and SPF. This Unseen sunscreen is 100% invisible primer and SPF. And the OG Play is the daily SPF body lotion. Love it, love it, love it. And then something different is this candle. I found this at a friend's house here. This is Value Spa or Value Spa. Look at the packaging. Look at the packaging. Got me. Okay. Mini Baltic Amber Glass Candle, 5.5 ounces. This was 20 bucks. It better be the best candle I've ever had. It just smells amazing. And packaging. Okay. Packaging. Baltic Amber. It's a very nice, clean, I don't know, very pretty scent. I like it a lot. So that was Sephora. Like I said, I spent 120 and I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products. So there's that. All right, now for some BoxyCharm add-ons while I still could, since I canceled. And there's stupid paper, man. Stupid. Well, it's really IPSY, but they're using these boxes full advantage, I guess. Okay. Don't ask me because that paper is just super pointless. All right, what did I get? Maybe I should look it up. And you know, the whole name changes are really getting to me. So this was Huda. I wish they would send you a receipt, you know. Huda Gemstone Obsessions. Hold on. It doesn't tell me the price I paid, but I know it was cheap, otherwise I wouldn't have gotten it. So here's that. Really pretty. They're all shimmers. All shimmers. What do you guys think about that? No names there, but it's the gemstone collection. I'm looking for, okay, I found the prices. Hold on. So this one is not there. $9. I had a feeling it was $9. Really wouldn't have paid more. Okay. Another good one coming right up is this bad boy. A full size of That Hit Single by J.Lo Beauty. This was $20. Like every time I pull up the wrong one. 26, but this thing is like $36, and I absolutely love this. This is the gel cream cleanser, and it takes off makeup. It's 5 fluid ounces. I mean, it's the best thing that I found that takes off makeup. I don't like that they just send it to you like this and not in the original packaging, because I'm sure when you buy it, it doesn't come like that. That one didn't even have stupid paper in there, so I'm lucky I still got it. And lastly, I got a Spongel Supreme Buffer. This was $5. That's self-explanatory. I love these Spongel things. This is in the shade. This is in Cedar Absolute. Very good. Love it. And then we have Walmart Spring Box. I probably accidentally ordered 2. This is volume 14. I don't remember what the other one was. Shout out to the unboxing, because that's what we're doing over here. Doing it and doing it and doing it well. It's Sunny Honey. I actually brought this on vacation. Very lightly scented. It'll do. Okay. They do tell you the cost of these things. So that was, what was it? It was perfume. Full size is $38.97. More nails. The Kiss nails is $7.97. Really good. The CoverGirl sample, the full size would be $14.98. This is color correcting serums, also lovely. And then another Neutrogena Hydro Boost gel cleanser, full size $8.99. Great. Oh, this is different. This is Kristen S. Reviving dry shampoo, full size is $14.97. Okay. And then another Marc Anthony Repair Bond leave-in treatment, full size is $8.47. Love that it also came in a box or a bag. And then the CeraVe, which I really do like, full size would be $12.47. This is the cream to foam cleanser. I like it. Like it. Like it. So we have one more box. I don't know what this is, but we're going to check it out. And then I'll let you go, guys. You have to let me know. Okay, randomness. Oh, this is from Influencer. Oh my God, I didn't even know I was getting it. Okay, this is from Influencer. Hello. Log into your app, and then, yeah. So I got the Tangle Teaser. Love it. Plant-based detangling hairbrush. Less breakage for smooth and healthy looking hair. Curly to straight hair. Straight to curly hair. Whatever. Quick, effortless detangling. This is great. We all have hair that needs to be untangled. So shout out to Influencer for sending me this for review. I love it. And that it's plant-based. I mean, it feels nice though. It'll work. I'll try it out. Very cool. Very, very cool. Tangle Teaser. If you guys have curly hair, you know what I'm talking about. But that was the unboxing. Let me know what you guys think. Something different, right? Yeah, always trying to switch it up. Thanks for watching the video, and I hope you stay tuned for so much more because there's so much happening on this channel right now. So hit that subscribe button, comment down below, smash that like. It just lets me know that you like these type of videos. If you don't, just let me know in the comments why you don't like these type of videos. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay safe.